Welcome students. We are doing question number 8, exercise 13.8, volume and surface area. Now you can see here on the screen, a dome of a building is in the form of a hemisphere. From inside it was whitewashed at the cost of rupees 498.96 rupees. If the cost of whitewashing is rupees 2 per square meter, find the inside surface area of the dome and the volume of the air inside the dome. Here in this question you have two parts. First of all, you have to find out the inside surface area. Suppose this is a building and you have created a dome over here on the top of this building, right? You want to whitewash this dome from inside, right? Now they have given us that the total cost of whitewashing is rupees 498 rupees 96 paisa, where the cost per unit is rupees 2, right? Now from here you have to find out by using this concept you have to find out the inside surface area. Okay, let us begin with this question. Now just wait a minute, I have to opt my pen over here. Okay, let us begin now. Question number 8. Now let us the radius of the hemisphere which is given in the dome form is, let the radius of the hemispherical dome is r. Therefore inner curved surface area would be 2 pi r square, right? Cost of whitewashing per meter square is rupees 2. Therefore total cost of whitewashing would be 2 into total area where I have to whitewash, so 2 into 2 pi r square. But according to the question, total cost is, which is given to us, is rupees 498.96. so it means these two values are equal. 2 into 2 pi r square would be equal to 498.96. so this is 4 pi r square equal to 498.96. so r square equal to 498.96 upon 4 pi. Pi is equal to 22 and 7 will come here. Here I can divide these numbers by 11, right? I am dividing this number by 11. 11 2s are 22, 11 4s are 44, 5 will here come here, 11 5s are 55 and decimal, 11 3s are and 11 6 are. So I am getting 4.5, 45.36. Now I will divide this by 2 again. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12 and 2 8s are 16. Now I will cancel this number by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24 and 4 7s are 28. Right? Now I am having 5.67 multiplied by 7. When you multiply this, you will get here 39.69. Right? So r square equal to 39.69. Now what you have to do, now you have to find out the value of r, and for that you have to take the square root of that, right? So now r equal to square root of 39.69. all of you know how to find out the square root. Here I can show you how you can calculate. Make a pair. 6 6 are 36. So 3 will come here, this decimal will go here. 6 का आपने डबल किया 12, put the blank over here and take this next pair down. So if you take 3 here and you multiply it by 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 6, 3 3 1s are 3. So 3 6 9, it means it is completely divisible by 3 So now the square root of 39.69 is 6.3. So this is equal to 6.3. So your radius is 6.3 centimeter, right? Now what I have to find out? I have to find out the inner curved surface area, and then I have to find out the, let us find out the inner curved surface area. Now its first part is inner curved surface area of the hemispherical dome. Hemispherical dome equal to 2 pi r square. So this is 2 into pi value is 22 upon 7 and r was my 6.3, so 6.3 into 6.3 and it will come in centimeter square. I am cancelling this number, 7 ones are 7 and now this is 7 nines are 63. Now you can multiply this, 44 into 0.9 into 6.3 centimeter square. When you will multiply this, you will get 249.98 centimeter square. This is the first part, and in the second part you have to find out the inside volume of the dome. So inside volume of the dome means you have to find out the air inside the dome. It means you have to find out the volume of the inside volume of the dome, which is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube, right? So this is 2 by 3, pi is your 22 upon 7 and r is your 6.3 raised to power 3 and this is centimeter cube, right? Now this is 2 by 3 into 22 upon 7 into 6.3 into 6.3 into 6.3 centimeter cube, right? You can cancel this, 0.9. Now children, you multiply these numbers and divide this by 3. Here I am directly writing the answer, 523.908 centimeter cube, right? I hope you enjoy this video and you have understood this question also, right? If you like my videos, please share it and subscribe my channel so that you will get the notification of upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.